gonna play Rain World. So let me just pull it up. So to review, if you are a seasoned Rain World player expecting to see someone's new reactions, I wouldn't bank on it. I love this guy. Hey, hey. Oh, get got. Oh! Oh. Oh my gosh, I just murdered them. Oh my lord. Look. They just got kabobbed. Boom, boom, oh! No way! Oh my lord! Vulture mask in the vicinity. Monkey brain, monkey brain. It just popped off of him. He looked like a little fucking, a little skrunkly, a little schmunkly do under that. That was so funny. It has been a while since I played shitted. And good for me, good for my bones. If I have any. Yeah, I know, but it would help if you give me some light. Oh, Lord! Oh, that lantern mouse is dead. Moving on. We're gonna try to go to, memory crypts. No way. No. I don't... Damn! Okay. Here we go. Yes, memory crypts. Nice stroll. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave. Well, okay. I'll leave it up to you guys. Do you guys want to see more regions? Because this one is technically one big region. Do you guys want to see more regions? Or do you guys want to see me scream and cry and basically just have an awful time? Thanks, Nita. Get him. Oh, wait! That's the vulture I stole its mask from! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Actually, wait here for a second. Oh my lord! Dude! Ugh, what's happening with my arm? Ugh, weirdo. Anyways. Ah! Ah! Oh! Shelter. Alright, and then... Are you cuddling me? Okay, thanks, bye. I guess we were cuddling. That was weird. Oh! Hey! Hey, that's my snuggle buddy! No! My snuggle buddy! Oh, you will rue the day you did that. Oh my lord! No! You're awful! I saved you! Oh my gosh! It's... No! You! Nobody messes with a Todd Snugglebud. That is a sacred relationship. Oh no, you don't. Live so I can keep killing you. You motherfucker. Oh, it's so lonely without my cuddle buddy. Oh, I sob. Ah! Fuck you. Oh no, you don't. Oh, fuck. Oh, no you don't. Oh! Yes, I do. Nah. Oh my lord. How are my scavengers? Oh. No! No! Not again! You. I now have a personal vendetta against all white lizards. You! Never forgive, never forget. Slick Cat Nation. Okay, risking it. Oh, my lord! Oh! Let's go! W. Oh, he is right on me. Oh, he's right on me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. I'm really excited to stream again on Wednesday, and I hope that you guys and more can come to see it because I had a super fun time. It was super fun. Yeah, I'm just very grateful for everyone who showed up. So, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.